TD Prepper checking in. If you're still in the market for your ammo for the 17 HMR, this will be your best bet. Get over to Academy Sports and get it at $49.99. That puts free shipping on it. So if you want CCI's brand, this is the place to get it. If you go to Cabelas, same ammo, it's $61.99, and they only give you one. You can only get one. Same thing with Midway. Midway, they'll let you get two, but $61.99, 31 cents a round versus 25 cents a round. That's a no-brainer. So if you want the CCI brand, best place to go is Academy Sports. All right, TD Prepper out.